Hi guys! So, today is officially our first day of finals for junior year and I'm so excited. Kind of nervous kasi nag-aral naman ako pero medyo kinakabahan pa rin. It's been almost a year since this big change happened and parang whoa, like ang bilis ng oras kasi you really can't tell how fast time goes by. I don't know what I'm saying. Wag na nga. So many things have happened, so many things changed, met so many new people, amazing people, kept in touch with old ones, and parang I'm so grateful lang. Like, I'm so grateful. Like, everything's so nice recently, and I've been so happy recently. So many wins. Ngayon na parang finals na namin, our last week as juniors, and then after that, bakasyon na. Excited na din talaga ako. Kasi I've been waiting for summer for so long. I'm going to go back sa province. I'm going to visit my friends. I'm going to, like, have a lot of me time outside of ACADS, and I'm so excited! Pang ilan ko nang I'm so excited to, but yeah, hopefully makapag-vlog ako ng madami sa Mindoro. I know I've been very inactive recently kasi it's just been so busy. I haven't had the time to edit. I'm just enjoying everything, you know. Yeah, so ngayon, our first day is Veritas and Gen Math. I'm very nervous for both subjects kasi sa Gen Math, I'm not that confident. The lesson right now, sinasabi ng mga profs namin, it's a lot easier. But to be honest, para sa akin, medyo hirap talaga ako sa mga logic types of lessons, yung mga common sense. Hirap na hirap ako doon. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Kasi medyo talaga ako sa common sense, guys. Like, hindi ko siya magets ng ayos. Wala akong common sense sa katawan ko. Tapos Veritas naman, puro Morse type kasi siya. So as in, it's like two statements. If you get one of them wrong, mali ka na agad. So, and like mostly Morse type talaga yung finals pag Veritas. Parang nasa vacation mode na nga ako. Like, hindi ko na iniisip yung exams. Nasa isip ko, tapos na ang school year. Like, ine-enjoy ko na lang talaga siya. This is the fit check. Just my normal type B. Hindi nyo pala makita yung jorts. My very, oh my gosh, i-retire na yung jorts. Ayan. My jorts. Hopefully, I can vlog the entire week. Pero mostly, feel ko putol-putol lang. Tapos makikita nyo lang talaga, nag-aaral ako. So, medyo, I'm not gonna say it's boring. But, predict ko na puro aral lang ako. Pero madami akong gala set for this week. Sana masama ko siya sa vlog. But anyway, ayan. I'm going to FRAS na. Our exams are at 1 and it's currently 8 pa lang naman. But, balak ko mag-aral pa sa library. So, let's go. I'm alone right now sa classroom kasi wala pa sila. And it's still very early. We have like 3 hours left before the exam. Pero medyo maingay na kasi dun sa canteen and naririnig ko na siya sa headphones ko. Medyo hindi ako nakaka-focus sa library. I'm not sure why. Parang the environment is just kind of like nakakapag-lock in ako sa library when it comes to making petas and stuff. Pero pagdating sa exams reviewing, I just can't focus. And parang sabi ko, sige, akyat na ako. Baka may tao. Tapos guys, I'm alone. Like, wala pang tao. Which is so nice kasi I have the room all to myself. And I can focus. Pero I heard my friends are paakit na. But mag-aaral din naman sila. So, parang mag-isa pa rin naman. I bought sour gummies. These are my go-tos when I'm studying. And also some water kasi I forgot my water bottle. Hopefully, we pass with flying colors. Sabi naman nung prof namin sa Veritas, we can ace it daw. Pero I'm not sure if I believe that. Ganun lagi sinasabi nila, we're gonna ace this quiz, we're gonna ace the exams. Tapos pagdating ng exam, super hirap. What if mamaya may sumilip sa bintana, tapos makita ko, I'm just talking to myself? I'm so shy. Hiya ako. Ayan na si Arthur.
Aga ko ngayon.
Wow. Okay, study time. Magla-lock in na kami. Team Idog goes to Jollibee. Hi, King.
Pagkit naman ng wooden fork. Here you go. Chicken and fries. Man, I should have ordered them.
I got super meal din. Peach mango pie, and he got nuggets. Day 2. So, it's the second day of our exams and dito ako pinaka-kinakabahan talaga. Our first day was okay, actually. Parang chill lang siya. I'm not sure how I did though kasi wala pa kaming scores, but I think mid lang yung Veritas ko. I'm not sure sa Gen Math because hindi ko talaga alam yung tamang sagot. But anyway, today, yung pinaka-kinakabahan ako, 2 of my worst subjects or 2 of my weakest subjects are combined in one day. Mabisang komunikasyon, pati PKLP, which is like Philippine history. Pero, yung dalawang yun kasi, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Marunong naman ako mag-Tagalog. Like, I grew up in a Filipino household. I grew up in a house where we mostly spoke in Tagalog. Tapos, nagtatagalog naman ako normally. Kahit sa chats, Tagalog din ako magsalita. I don't know, when it comes to Tagalog exams or Filipino exams, hindi ko talaga siya magets. Hindi ganun kalalim yung comprehension ko pagdating sa Filipino, and I accept that. Kahit nung junior high ako, my comprehension sa Filipino was never good. Kaya ko lang makaintindi ng basic stuff, but when it comes to exams, wala na talaga akong pag-asa. So, I'm so nervous kasi pinagsama pa pareho in one day. Hindi ko inagahan ngayon sa school kasi I had lunch here sa condo. So, hindi ko na need pumunta sa Fras para lang mag-lunch. It's currently 10:52 and I have to get there by around 11:30 para I have 1 hour and 30 minutes to study and talk to my blockmates. Because talking to your blockmates before the exam really helps. You know what? Mag-Tagalog pala ako ngayon before the exam para alam ko kung paano magbasa ng ayos ng Tagalog. Kasi hindi ko talaga siya magets. Like, mostly, nag-English ako sa vlogs. Pero nagtatagalog ako. Mas gamit ko Tagalog. This is also my makeup routine. I don't really have a routine. Parang kung ano lang trip ko for that day, yun lang ginagawa ko. So, I just put on this BLK glow filter. And also, yung makeup ko, nagbabago siya almost every day. Like, kung paano ko siya gawin. Wala akong structure. Depende lang sa kung anong gusto ko i-layer. Anong process gusto ko gawin. Minsan, nauuna tong process na to. Minsan, hindi. Oh, look at me. Nagtatagalog ako ng dire-diretso. Actually, hindi nga. Ang arte naman nun. Yun talaga ang dream ko sa buhay. Maging good communicator in Filipino. Like, naturally good. Pero hindi pa. Not yet. Not right now. I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. I know I said it in the previous clip na. Nung first day, sinabi ko na siya na parang I'm so happy. And I'm glad na parang swinerte kami sa prof, swinerte ako sa block, swinerte ako sa friends because I get to enjoy senior high in general to its full potential. Parang iniisip ko, if I didn't have good friends, if I didn't have a good block, feel ko hindi ko siya ma-enjoy ng todo. Everything's working out. Everything's so nice. My hair is a mess right now kasi nakapuyo daw kanina tapos kakatanggal ko lang. And the lighting kind of sucks. It's currently 8:04 and I have one exam lang tomorrow, which is bio again. I know lagi akong naabutan ng bio when it comes to vlogs. Parang laging bio yung inaaral ko. Pero ayun, it's still my favorite subject. I have it right here. Medyo mahaba siya. Thank you, Calix, for the notes kasi hindi ko natapos notes ko. And parang medyo hassle na if magno-notes pa ulit ako even though kaya ko naman siya aralin. Pero ayun nga. I'm so senti right now kasi parang me and my friends were talking. Parang ang bilis ng oras. Since we already have juniors, meron na silang GC, may IG na sila. And like, we saw it and that was us last year. And then, ngayon also, I'm currently thinking of a message to write for our advisor, Gen Math professor, aka the best professor ever. I'm thinking of a message to write to him right now kasi Ganto kasi yan, guys. Look. You can see my classmates are still writing their messages. But isa kasi sa really na-appreciate ko sa mga professors is if they're very passionate about what they do and if they're very passionate about their jobs. Nag-isip ako ngayon kung ano susulat ko. I think my outline is just going to be thank you in general. Tapos, I really don't like math. Like, kung alam nyo lang, I really don't like math as a subject. I don't know why. Sobrang hindi ko talaga siya bet. Nakakasagot ako, but it doesn't interest me that much. This year, parang medyo nagustuhan ko na yung math. Hindi, that's a lie. Medyo na-appreciate ko na yung math. Like, it's fun naman pala to answer. It's fun to solve. Para nagsisinungaling ako. I'm done with the letter. Ngayon, mag-aaral na ako ng bio. Sige, bio! Last quarter, guys, lower drop. Sobrang nag-aral ako para sa bio last quarter. Like, tinodo ko talaga review ko. And nung nagsasagot ako ng exam, sabi ko pa, parang mo pa perfect ko to. Ang confident ko nun. Pagkalabas ng scores namin, hindi naman siya mababa. Hindi siya mababa, okay. But it was lower than what I expected. Kasi in-expect ko na parang at least mga 2 mistakes lang, ganun. Mas mababa siya, sobra. Natutunan ko doon, stay humble, yeah. Switch location tayo, guys. Okay, nagkaroon tayo ng change of scenery kasi inaantok na ako habang nagbabasa. And delikado yun kasi makakatulog talaga ako. Kaya yun. I have, oh my, wait lang, page. I have 20-something pages to study. And I have 3 hours. So, ang goal ko, I'm gonna skim through it right now. Parang isang buong review lang. Like, just general review, not really that in-depth. And then, ito-test ko sarili ko. I'm gonna do the memorizing also of the process. Pero na-memorize ko na naman siya from the previous quiz that we had last week pa. Kaya, medyo carry na siya. And then, after that, matutulog na ako. Then, tomorrow, saka ko aaralin yung specifics. Because I have a lot of time tomorrow. I'm gonna wake up at around 7. Aral na ako dire-diretso hanggang siguro 1 p.m. I love listening to Bruno Major songs habang nag-aaral kasi parang I feel like in a teleserye na romance. Tapos parang nag-aaral ka lang, tapos ganun yung music na nag-play. Kung nothing is playing at the same time or the most beautiful thing, tapos ikaw nag-aaral ka. Okay, I'm getting distracted. Location check. Ala, nilit. Baka mamaya may stock. Hala. Parang, ano naman, sobrang sikat. Okay, nasa rooftop kami. Kasama ko sila na naman.
Sisikat na din ako. Oh, don't post that. Clip that, chat.
Oh my gosh.
Clip that. Yeah, alam mo yun, yung nagana. Yung nagana, yung ganda. Oo. Wala daw. Ayun, gayon. Ayun na naman. Ay, pangit na daw siya. Kaya nga. Kailangan ko i-live up yung ganda.
Hindi, kailangan mo i-live up yung bait.
Parang magiging super bait.
Ayoko din naman, pero nakakatawa ka kasi asa rin.
Kasi pikon ako.
Wait. Kasi pikon na sasama ko sa vlog, tas yung next clip yung binaka-video si Ian. I'm so sorry, Alina. Huwag ka naman Sorry. Si Alina kanina pa niya chine-check at kino-compare yung mga sinulat.
Parang silang tumawag sa akin ng maganda.
Sa mga blockmates po namin, nagtatampo na po siya.
Isa lang, dapat punong-puno, sobrang ganda mo.
Hindi, bait nga lang kasi bait lang.
Tapos bait, dapat super bait. When is that?